Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a quick and easy meal. I kind of already was just going to go ahead and get it ready, but I figured I'd just make a video on it, something easy. It's kind of inexpensive, simple. If your people don't really like cheese, mine don't. I have cheese to put on mine because I love it, but if you like broccoli or whatever vegetables you like, you can put in this. But it's a chicken and broccoli casserole with rice. So I made it before and everybody really liked it. So I'm gonna make it again today. All right, let me get you a little closer so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I have here my baking dish. I did a 9x13 glass one. I've already put some rice in it because I had started doing this and then realized maybe I should video it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pour, this is, I'll show you the one that's not open so you know, Knorr sides, rice sides. They also have like a noodle one, which I think would be really good. This one's just a chicken flavor. They have a chicken and broccoli flavor I've tried that's really good. This is all I have on hand, so this is what I'm going to use today. So we have 2 bags of those. So what I go ahead and do is I just use my baking dish. Less mess to clean up. So I'll go ahead and put both of the rice packets, the whole thing, in a casserole dish here. Just go ahead and sprinkle it around because we're going to be mixing it up in a minute. Alright, Alright, so the next thing I have actually 2 of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to use both. We'll see. I have cream of chicken. It's just a Great Value brand condensed soup, okay? So I'm going to put this in here and mix it. I'll go ahead and open it up here. Okay. So I just take a spoon and just start to push it in here. Yep. And obviously everything's right out of the container, so as you can see, I'm not cooking it beforehand or anything like that. It's just a real simple, easy meal. Let's see. Alright, got that. Yeah, let me just mix it up and see. I'll probably have to do both. I like mine to be kind of, yeah, probably both would be better. So we'll go ahead and add the other one. Okay. My crazy son is over here. 2 minutes and I'll let you know your food will be ready. Making him something.
Bring it to me?
Okay, sure, I'll let you know.
What are we eating for dinner?
I'm making a chicken casserole.
Oh.
Nobody asked you to eat it, so.
Lazy ass fuck.
Hey, I'm making a video. Butt. Alright, so we got both of our stuff in here. I'm just going ahead and mix it around with some. If you can see it here, it's just being mixed up. Oops, as I make a mess. Just gonna keep mixing it. Just make sure it's evenly spread. And put you back down here so you can see. Everything's starting to come together here. My little stand's not wanting to work though. A little lopsided, but that'll work. Okay. So now that's all done. And keep it kind of spread out some. Now I like to add, excuse me, a little bit of chicken broth to mine, okay? And that just kind of helps give it some moisture. So we'll open that over here. Don't need to open too much. That'll work. Just gonna add a little bit of that to it. Not much, just kind of eyeball it. All right, now this other ingredient I have here to go in it is gonna be broccoli. That's what we want to add to ours. So I have 2 bags of frozen broccoli here. It's broccoli that I had frozen, and I just put in Ziploc bags. I'm going to add all this and see. I think this is probably plenty for this, yeah. So I'm not going to do 2 bags. 1 bag, probably, I guess it's a 16-ounce bag is how it's usually sold, would be plenty. Don't forget, your stuff will rise, your noodles and stuff, or not noodles, your rice will rise. So, you know, make sure you give yourself plenty of room at the top. I'm just going to go ahead and mix this all around. And again, this is frozen broccoli. It's not cooked. So I'm just gonna mix it. We like a lot of broccoli in ours. I only have this one. It's kind of a lot. So, all right, kind of mix it around. Mix this one up. It's good. All right, now I'm gonna have to smush it down some. All right, now the last ingredient to this is going to be, actually I'll probably add a little bit more of my, this is chicken broth again. So I'm gonna smush it around some, kind of get some of this rice to the side so it coats there a little bit better, it's not so dry. All right, now the last part of this, which I have thawing right now, is my chicken breast. Mine are frozen. So I like to thaw, at least have them so that they're not frozen before you use it. It's just a little bit easier to get it to cook evenly. You don't want part of it to be done and part not to be done. So just takes a little bit more. I'm not too happy with coverage. But yeah, just make sure you stir it good. And I'll show you what this looks like once I get it prettied up here.